A reliable fry pan makes cooking eggs easier, delivering smooth releases and consistent results every time. Best Fry Pan for eggs can help create perfectly cooked omelets, fried eggs, and scrambled eggs, while reducing sticking, simplifying cleanup, and improving everyday breakfast preparation. And product link in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Number 1. All-Clad HA1 Fry Pan for Egg. The All-Clad HA1 Fry Pan for Egg is an excellent choice for home cooks who want dependable non-stick performance combined with premium construction. This set includes both 8-inch and 10-inch fry pans, giving users the flexibility to prepare everything from a single fried egg to larger breakfast portions for the whole family. The flat cooking surface and gently flared sides make flipping eggs, omelets, pancakes, and other delicate foods remarkably easy. Whether you prefer sunny-side-up eggs, scrambled eggs, or perfectly folded omelets, these pans are designed to deliver consistent results with minimal sticking. One of the standout features of the HA1 series is its heavy-gauge aluminum body paired with a stainless steel base. This combination promotes fast and even heat distribution, helping eliminate hot spots that can cause uneven cooking. Eggs cook evenly across the surface, reducing the chance of overcooked edges or undercooked centers. The premium PTFE non-stick coating further enhances cooking performance by allowing food to release effortlessly while requiring less oil or butter. This makes cleanup quick and simple after every meal. The sleek and modern design also adds appeal to any kitchen. The double-riveted stainless steel handles provide a sturdy and comfortable grip, making it easy to maneuver the pan while cooking. Durability is another strong point, as the cookware is built to withstand daily use without sacrificing performance. The pans are compatible with all stovetops, including induction cooktops, making them suitable for virtually any kitchen setup. Number 2. T-fal Anodized Fry Pan for Egg. The T-fal Anodized Fry Pan for Egg is a practical and versatile cookware set designed for anyone who wants reliable non-stick performance and easy everyday cooking. Featuring durable, hard anodized construction, these pans are built to withstand regular use while maintaining excellent cooking results. The set includes both 10-inch and 12-inch fry pans, giving users plenty of flexibility when preparing everything from a single egg breakfast to larger family meals. Whether frying eggs, sautéing vegetables, or searing meats, these pans offer dependable performance across a wide range of cooking tasks. One of the most useful features is T-fal's titanium non-stick coating. Eggs slide effortlessly across the surface with minimal oil or butter, making healthier cooking easier while simplifying cleanup. The coating helps prevent food from sticking and reduces the amount of scrubbing required after meals. This is especially beneficial for delicate foods, such as omelets and scrambled eggs, where easy food release is essential. Another standout feature is the thermospot technology, which changes color when the pan reaches the ideal cooking temperature. This helpful indicator removes guesswork and allows users to begin cooking at the right moment for better results. Proper preheating can improve texture, flavor, and browning, making it easier to prepare consistently delicious meals. Number 3. Cookersway Nonstick Fry Pan for Egg. The Cookersway Nonstick Fry Pan for Egg is an excellent option for home cooks seeking a healthier alternative to traditional nonstick cookware. Featuring an advanced ceramic nonstick coating, this pan is completely free from PTFE, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. This non-toxic construction makes it an appealing choice for families who prioritize safer cooking materials while still wanting reliable nonstick performance. Whether cooking fried eggs, omelets, pancakes, or sautéed vegetables, the ceramic surface helps food release smoothly with less oil. A major advantage of this pan is its strong aluminum core, which promotes quick and even heat distribution throughout the cooking surface. Consistent heating helps eliminate hot spots that can lead to uneven cooking results. Eggs cook evenly across the pan, allowing users to achieve better texture and appearance with less effort. The responsive heating performance also makes the pan suitable for a variety of everyday cooking tasks. The Cookersway pan is designed for both convenience and durability.
Its scratch-resistant exterior helps maintain an attractive appearance over time, while the ergonomic stay-cool handle offers comfort and control during cooking. The pan is oven-safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit.
Number 4. Amazon Basics Fry Pan for Egg. The Amazon Basics Fry Pan for Egg offers an affordable and practical solution for everyday cooking. Designed with simplicity and functionality in mind, this pan provides reliable non-stick performance that makes preparing eggs easier and more enjoyable. Whether making fried eggs, scrambled eggs, omelets, or breakfast sandwiches, the pan delivers consistent results while requiring minimal effort during cooking and cleanup. One of its key strengths is the aluminum core base, which promotes fast and even heat distribution across the cooking surface. Consistent heating helps prevent hot spots and allows eggs to cook more evenly. This feature contributes to improved cooking performance while reducing the risk of burning or uneven browning. The efficient heat transfer also helps shorten cooking times, making meal preparation more convenient. The non-stick coating is another valuable feature. Eggs release smoothly from the surface, reducing the need for excessive oil or butter. This not only supports healthier cooking, but also makes cleanup significantly easier. Food residue wipes away quickly, allowing users to spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying their meals. The riveted stainless steel handle provides a secure and comfortable grip while remaining cool during most cooking tasks. The sturdy construction enhances safety and control when moving the pan around the kitchen. In addition, the pan is suitable for both stovetop cooking and oven use up to 392 degrees Fahrenheit, adding versatility for recipes that require multiple cooking methods. Number 5. CAROTE Cookware Fry Pan for Egg. The CAROTE Cookware Fry Pan for Egg is a popular choice for home cooks seeking a combination of healthy cooking, reliable non-stick performance, and modern design. Featuring an eco-friendly granite non-stick coating, this pan is free from PFOS and PFOA, providing added peace of mind for those who prefer cookware made with safer materials. Its smooth non-stick surface allows eggs to slide easily from the pan, helping users prepare breakfast favorites with less oil and minimal sticking.
One of the standout qualities of this fry pan is its excellent heat distribution. The extended bottom design and high magnetic conductive stainless steel base ensure quick and even heating across the entire cooking surface. This consistent heat transfer helps eggs cook uniformly without developing hot spots that can cause uneven results. The pan is compatible with all stovetops, including induction cooktops, making it a versatile option for a wide variety of kitchens. The granite non-stick coating also contributes to healthier cooking. Because food releases easily, users can reduce the amount of oil or butter required during meal preparation. This makes the pan suitable for anyone looking to lower fat intake while still achieving delicious results. Additionally, the cooking surface generates less smoke during cooking, helping maintain a cleaner and more comfortable kitchen environment.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.